Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make money just by promoting some of the t-shirts. Well, no, I'm not telling you to how to design those t-shirts and sell it on Teespring, but I'm gonna tell you how you can just promote them. You don't have to design, you don't have to get any of the hassle of designing it or doing any stuff. All you have to do is find a good t-shirt and promote it, and you can earn up to 80% of commission. Yeah, Amazon just pays you 5 to 10% commission, but the website which I'm gonna reveal to you in this video is going to pay you 80% commission if you are going to sell that t-shirt. Okay, and the average that website sells a t-shirt, and the price of the t-shirts is $20, so you are definitely going to earn $15 out of it as a commission if you make even a one sale. So many of the people are earning thousands of dollars utilizing this method, which I'm going to tell you in this video. So stick in this video until the end, so that you can understand each and every process and each and every step which I'm going to uncover over here. Okay, so now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time. Okay, so now we are here on the platform. Okay, the platform is known as Teasleycom. Okay, if you really know how to design and want to design t-shirts, then you can upload your designs over here and sell them. But we are not going to design any t-shirts. We are just going to do something which is very interesting, and that is here you just come over here and you can find here this section known as affiliates. Okay, so what we are going to do, whatever the ready-made designs are available on these platforms, we are going to find a particular niche and then promote that t-shirts on that niche. Okay, so that's going to be really interesting. I'm going to cover you an entire strategy with a targeted niche and a targeted audience, so you can make a very good amount of sales. Okay, so what we have to do is just go, and you can see here you can earn almost 80% of commission. Amazon would, if you promote an Amazon product, you will only get up to 5 to 10% commission, but here you are getting 80% of commission per sale. The average price of the t-shirt here is almost $15 to $20, so it is definite that you are going to earn almost more than $10 for every single sale. Okay, 30-day cookie. So if someone clicks on your link and buys in the next 30 days any of the product from this platform, then you are going to receive 80% of commission. Okay, so this is really interesting. As an affiliate, you can see if a customer purchases one or more product within 30 days, their first value will enjoy 80% of commission on each qualifying sale or Teasley marketplace. Affiliate commission concern all the products in our market. So whatever product they buy, okay, if a customer clicks the link product A where you have driven traffic but ends buying another product, then also you will earn 80% of commission. That's really awesome, and 80% commission is a huge commission. Okay, not most of the platforms provide you with 80% of commission. So this is really good for you. You can just find out some of the good designs from this website and just start promoting it. But I am going to tell you a niche in this end of the video in which there is a huge demand and you can easily sell this t-shirts, and that niche does not have much competition, so you can make big amount of sales. Okay, really very simply and easily. Okay, I'm going to show you one more platform which you can utilize to do this stuff, which is Teespring. Okay, you can if you really know how to design, or if you want to design it yourself according to your niche, then you can also do it. If you don't know what to do, how to design, then you can hire someone on Fiverr or Upwork and just ask them to design a t-shirt for you. They will do it for $5 to $10. Okay, so that's really cheap. You can make out this type of t-shirt design. Okay, you just spend $100 and you can get 10 to 15 designs of this type of t-shirts, which you can directly upload to Teespring as well as on Teasley. Okay, so that's also one of the way, but today we are focusing on affiliate marketing. Okay, once you have designed your t-shirts, you can promote your own t-shirts. okay, that's also a way of affiliate marketing, because you have created a store on Teespring and you are promoting your own products. Okay, so this will give you affiliate commission. You don't need to design. In this you have to design, but still you can promote it and earn money out of it. Okay, now what we are going to do and where we are going to promote is the question. Okay, now I'm going to answer this query of yours. Okay, so we are going to utilize Pinterest. Okay, if you don't have a Pinterest account, I just recommend that you create one Pinterest account. Now here we are not going to just promote our designs. Okay, we are going to do something which is called niche targeting. Okay, we want some niche on which we will target this traffic. Okay, for example, here I am typing one of the niche. Okay, cyclist, cyclist. Okay, and clothing. Okay, just let's type in cyclist clothing and press the enter key. Now what will happen is that this type of designs will come up. Okay, see this one, someone is promoting this affiliate link over here. Okay, now see this, just get the inspiration. If you are going to design it yourself, you can get your inspiration here, and if you are going to promote, then this is the type of t-shirt which you should find in Teasley to promote in this niche. Okay, just target any one niche, don't go to multiple niches or else you won't make much sales. Okay, but if you are really targeted on one niche, then you are definitely going to make very good sales doing this method. You can see this, see all this are some of this may be affiliate links. Okay, so what you have to do is that you just have to create this type of pins. Okay, that's really simple and easy to create this type of pins, and what you have to do is use them on your on your Pinterest page or Pinterest board. Okay, and what you have to do is just create this type of t-shirts. If you are really going to design it yourself, or you can join an affiliate program like Teasleycom, and you can find this type of t-shirts which you are going to promote. This type of t-shirts are known as niche specific t-shirts, because the people who are interested in cycling, or you can target any of the niche, but for example I'm showing you a cyclist niche. This is also very good and very big niche, and not much people are promoting this type of products. Okay, so you can promote this type of product and make a good earning out of it, because you don't have much competition over here, and if you make a sale you are going to receive more commission, that is 80%. That is just insane amount of commission which you are going to make. Or you are going to promote your Teespring t-shirt, then also you are going to make a very good amount of profit. So that's really interesting what happens here. Okay, so this is really good. You can just make this type of pins over here. Now I will show you how to create a pin on Pinterest. That's really easy. Okay, don't worry, I will cover all the steps over here. Whatever you do on Pinterest is just click this plus button. Okay, just click your profile and just click on this plus button. Now you can create a board if you want to. Okay, now you can create a board named cyclist. Okay, but we will directly show you how to create a pin. Okay, now what you have to do is whatever t-shirt design you have made, you are going to promote it, just get that t-shirt design and paste it over on this. Okay, just to get, so for example I am using this one. Okay, and now what you have to do is add your title. So best t-shirts for cyclists. Okay, so this is absolutely targeted. Okay, now you can write a description. This is really the very good t-shirt which any cyclist can wear, and it is very made up of very comfortable material. This is some kind of stuff about the t-shirt which you just have to write it over here, and here you can provide your Teasley affiliate link. Okay, directly paste the affiliate link. Instagram allows you to paste the affiliate link related to Teespring or Teasley or this type of websites, because Yes, it does, because it wants its platform to promote that type of product. Instagram totally lets you promote any of the business. Okay, so this is really, and these two are legit websites, which Instagram, Pinterest knows that these two are legit websites, and they allow you to promote its products over here. They also like Teespring links, and they do promote a lot of Teespring stuff on this platform, which is known as Pinterest. So the Pinterest platform is very supportive for Teespring as well as Teasley and this type of platform, so you can earn really good commission. Why I am telling you to use both of these platforms simultaneously? Because if you can design almost 5 to 10 t-shirts, okay, and just upload them, and you can start selling them via Teespring. Or if you don't want to design, just promote a t-shirt, find it on Teasley and start promoting it without designing, without any hassle of designing. Okay, so it's your choice, whatever you choose. You can choose to design a t-shirt by yourself according to a niche which you have selected, or you can just find some t-shirts related to your niche and start promoting it. That's really easy, that's really simple. And on this page, what you have to do is you have to provide some of the content related to cycling, and occasionally you can promote this type of t-shirts on this website, which is really easy and really simple, and many of the people are making a ton of money out of this stuff. Okay, let's type cyclist, let's type in cyclists. Okay, and let's see what type of pages are over here. Now okay, so we are here. Now we can click on one of the websites, one of the accounts, and check out what type of content they are. See, it is 1.9 million unique visitors. Okay, so just see this, they are promoting this exercise as well as this is what type of stuff you can promote. Okay, and you can just give it out. Okay, and you can and also sell some of the t-shirts. Doing this, you can sell the shoes. Okay, you can sell the cycles. Okay, so many other stuff you can sell just by doing this simple thing. And you can sell Amazon products also, but Teespring, this of the if you are selling this Teasley products, also Amazon products and many other products together, you just have to create this type of account. Okay, it may take a month or two to just get some of the viewers on your account, but this is really going to be a very long term passive method to earn a good amount of money. It is really simple method which many people are utilizing to make big money. Okay, so whatever the niche is, you can target, and this type of niche are called niche specific target, which have very high converting viewers, as well as there is a very big chance of earning money out of it. If you really want to learn how to design for Teespring t-shirts, you just check out for YouTube on how to create Teespring t-shirts. I will also post one of the tutorials in 1 or 2 days about Teespring, how to design a Teespring t-shirt. Okay, and really it's a very great affiliate program of Teasley which you can join and just start promoting over here. That's really easy, that's really simple. Now what I want to say is that if you like my content, if you like my video, you can check out other videos on my channel, which is really simple Moneymaker 001. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.